Hey YouTube, it's me Brian again with Beowulf Towers. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. I've gone ahead and already opened the box just because I was excited. I have not opened the inside of it, so I wanted to do a quick little thing. Today, however, we're not going to use our normal tool set. However, I will be using this for a brief second because I didn't bring a knife. But inside this box, very exciting item. Ta-da! An RTX 2070. But the 2070 is more of a mid-budget card. The best part is that since it's a new card, it performs, from what I understand, about the same level as a 1080 or a 1080 Ti, kind of in between. For this, however, I am going to have to open the box, and I did leave my scissors and my knives downstairs, so I'm just going to use my trusty Stanley kit. So we're going to use one of the little screwdrivers, and we're just going to break the seal right here gently with it. And we're going to flip it over, and we're going to break this seal. Trying not to dig into the box because it's a nice box. This might be enough. There we go. Yep. Alright, so now the seal is a nice eVGA brand because this is an eVGA 2070. This is the RTX 2070 XC gaming card. So it's not the Ultra, but it's also not the Black. It's the RTX, which means that it's real-time ray tracing, so it's going to be an awesome item. And it's just, to me, it's exciting because it's a new card, and it's been a long time since I've owned a new card. So it does give you the serial number up here for when you're registering it, so that you can get it registered before you even open the box, which I've gone ahead and done. Then inside, from my understanding, is the card, as well as some other little things. But let's take a look and see what really is in here. Keeps it nice and secure inside. It's an awesome job they did. The little pamphlet type thing for stuff that they give so that you can see how to install it, which honestly for most people isn't going to be needed. So the card, I'm going to set this down real quick. I was kind of hoping that it would have badging or something like that for the case, but that's the end of that. So essentially you get the card and you get the directions and you get a bunch of padding. Now the nice thing is it is a pretty box, so I'm going to keep this. So we're going to set this down nicely. We're going to put the box back together, and we're going to set it off to the side because I will be keeping this nice box for decoration or for storage at the very least. So now the card comes in the anti-static package, like any other card, so it's nice. And then we've got here the seal that we're breaking for the first time. So now inside, so it's a nice, beautiful card. So the card's got the nice fin set up here with fins for the cooler. It does require an 8-pin and a 6-pin power. It's got the nice clear to the shroud. Nice clean looking blades to the fan with the nice eVGA E logos on both the centerpiece and the blades themselves. It also does have a backplate so that while it's inserted, if you get a view of the backplate through the glass of your side panel, it does say on it eVGA GeForce RTX 2070, which is pretty cool. So it does not, however, have the connectors for SLI or whatever they're calling now. The new version of SLI is not able to be used with the 2070, which is actually something that up until this generation had been previously available in the 70 series. It does have a cover to the PCI Express connector so that that's kept nice and safe. It does also have a cover to the I/O shield where it would normally sit on the brackets for the case. Don't know why they put that there and not put the covers over to protect from dust in the things, but you also have the ports. We have a C-class USB. We've got a trio of DP or display port, and then we've got an HDMI. There is no more DVI and there's no more VGA. VGA has been out for several generations now. I don't think any of the 10 series had them, and I don't believe any of the 9 did as far as I'm aware either. But overall, it is a beautiful looking card. It has a decent weight to it, feels nice and sturdy, does not feel cheap. It feels very, very good and very durable. The back plate is a little rough to the touch, but it just adds to the feel of it being a nice card. And overall, it is a very nice card. And I did purchase this. We are not being sponsored by eVGA. eVGA did not provide this card for free, did not provide it at a discount, did not provide it in any way, shape, or form other than manufacturing it and then me purchasing it through another company. But overall, it is a beautiful looking card, and I look forward to using this in the next video that I plan on having. Maybe a video between now and then, but this card will be utilized in a upcoming video within the next 2 videos, where I will use a GTX 1070 Ti from MSI Duke Edition. I will also use a Gigabyte GeForce GTX 1080 OC Turbo, and then I will use this card to see how the 3 compare, so you can see step by step going up. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the little unboxing video. Again, it's just a nice, beautifully well done card with a beautiful shroud. It does have XC written on it. It's got the eVGA GeForce RTX 2070, and like I said, it is supposed to have RGB on this version, so I'm looking forward to trying that out and seeing how it looks. Before we insert it, we will, however, have to peel off the nice little plastic cover to the shroud, but I'm going to save that until I'm ready to insert it. Overall though, for $550, it is a bit pricey. It is, however, not the most expensive 2070 card, let alone the highest priced 2070 from eVGA. The Black Edition is about $50 less expensive, but does not come with the RGB. And then there's also an Ultra version, which I believe is $579 or $599, which puts it at a little bit higher cost, but higher clock speed. But if this card can overclock even the tiniest bit, this card should match the Ultra Edition. It should match the Ultra Edition pretty well. Might just get a little bit less performance out of it in the end because of that slight out of the box overclock. But we're talking about 20 to 50 megahertz, nothing serious that's going to give more than a frame or 2 per second. But I definitely am looking forward to seeing this thing in action. Hope you guys enjoy, and hope you have a great night. If you like our videos, please subscribe for upcoming videos and hit the like button if you enjoyed the information that we're providing. And we look forward to seeing you guys in the future leaving comments. So, have a great night, guys. I'm happy.